What is up, my beautiful creatures of the knife? I got another unboxing to do tonight. I've been waiting all day for this. This box coming in from Timber's Edge Knives. If you haven't checked out Timber's Edge Knives, you should check them out. They got some wicked good deals. There are some knives in there that I've found are sold out in other places across the internet. And really good pricing. You join their members list, add it to cart, you're going to see an even deeper discount than what's listed, and I highly recommend a stroll through there. They might not have everything that you need, but they might have exactly what you've been looking for, and that's how I found them and got this box. Inside this box is nothing crazy fancy. I've stated my opinions of how much I like David Chen's design work. I'm a big fan of his. I like the way he uses symmetry and makes all his lines kind of flow together. That's right up my alley as a car guy, hot rodder, builder of all things gasoline related. I really like flowing lines, symmetry, and everything to have its purpose. So again, nothing crazy expensive in this box, but I did find it much cheaper than anywhere else on the internet through Timber's Edge Knives. So again, you should definitely check them out. Fast shipping. And I have not seen in this box. I have had this box all day. I've been stuck at work, and then I had meetings, and now it is late and I am doing an unboxing. I got the TK knife crapper. I did add some masking tape to this blade. It no longer rattles. It no longer rattles like a old Pontiac Bonneville going down the road with a blown strut. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's my unboxing knife. We'll see how long it lasts, but new blade, little masking tape, probably worth the money. But let's open this up. Like I said, this isn't crazy expensive. This isn't crazy expensive knives. These are knives strictly for my own amusement. We'll call this a $175 gamble on happiness. So we got the packing slip in here. Bunch of giant foam peanuts. So we have the 522, which was kind of a an addition to the cart, and this is the one, this should be the one that I was looking for, the 526, I believe. So this one I saw was like, I'd kind of seen it, decided I wanted it, it was there, so I bought it. Oh, there's even an extra, look at that. Premium packing material to keep the knife from moving around. I will link Timber's Edge Knives YouTube in this video, and then again for the full review, you should check him out. I'm not 100% on his YouTube because I didn't look it up before this. I believe it is the Discerning Man. Excuse me. It's so good I was choking on it. This is a really good looking knife. You know, it looks, in his video he did a review on this knife. This knife looked absolutely huge. It doesn't look so big in my hand. I didn't bring anything in to do any size comparisons. which I guess it is a unboxing, not a review, so I'm sorry, I should be, I'm looking at the knife, not watching my monitor. Sorry about that, people. I got a little excited. That looks good. It's quite even. Carbon fiber inlay looks really nice. Nice milled pocket clip. Got the TwoSun branding on the pivot collar. Not too bad. Lanyard hole. All right, we ready? Boom. I can dig it. I thought this was going to be too big to carry, but it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel bad at all. Good grip. I'll have to look up the materials. I didn't do any of that beforehand. I probably should have. It was really bad. But hey, you know what? This isn't a review, so you don't get to hear about the materials. You just get to hear what I think. And I like it. Yeah, I do. Not disappointed at all. Full review coming. I'm going to carry this thing for a while, for a week or so. And then I'll put a review up on it. Ooh. How are you doing? Yeah, what's up? Come here often? Thumb too? Okay. All right, I can dig it. Yeah. How about it? TwoSun 522. Didn't buy it because it was a TwoSun. This is my first TwoSun. I have absolutely no experience with the brand. This did come. It's got a little scuffing on the blade. It showed up like that from factory, I know. God, I should have looked up his YouTube. I'm such a bad asshole. I know it came like that from the factory, and there was a little bit of pushback for the guy. And TwoSun didn't help out. I think they ended up blocking him and no longer doing business. That seems to be kind of the company that they are. But again, I bought this, David Chen. I like the lines, and I'm happy with it, right? It's not going to be a worker strictly for aesthetic purposes. And now we're going to get into this dog. Again, hey man, thanks for packing these up so nice. That's awesome. Oh man, look at that handle shape. Boy, this thing is soaked. They definitely put oil on the knife. God, that blade shape, that handle shape too, this big swell down here. I mean, everything just kind of rides, right? It's kind of like a wave. Looks like a yellow anodized pivot collar, flat, flush. So the whole thing is flush. Very nice. Boom. Not a big fan of the stonewash, I won't lie. I'm not a big stonewash fan. Don't typically do it. I like to see satin, but feels good. It's got this round, this is what I really liked about this knife, was it's got this nice round kind of blunt tip belly, and then it's got this beautiful just swell back here, and the whole thing just kind of makes a full circle, full oval. Absolutely fantastic in the hand. Oh man, I don't know which one I'm going to carry tomorrow. A little slow on the finger. There we go. A little hard to get in there. Wouldn't be my deployment of choice. But the backside flipper, I can dig it. Money well spent, right? Aesthetically pleasing, comfortable in the hand. David Chen, your designs have not let me down yet. 10 out of 10, will buy more. And will buy more from Timber's Edge Knives. I already got another one on the way. He had not really a grail, but a knife that I've been eyeing up to add to my collection for a while. And I just got the shipping notification that it shipped. I like how the milling even goes, so there's a flat right before the inlay, and the milling carries over that flat very nicely. They could have just left that, but they carried that milling over. Makes it look really nice. Very nice finish to it. Good looking carbon fiber scale. Pivot color matches on both sides. I just noticed that. It's a nice detail. Oh, it does on this one too. Right on. Bravo. This is kind of, I don't know if you can put a little tritium vial in there, or I would make it look kind of sharp. Nice pocket clip, lanyard hole, could have done without. Big choil, how about getting up on it? You're kind of right at the back of that, right there. My big finger, not how I would rock it. You're liable to cut, but overall, a gorgeous looking knife. 14C28N steel, TS526, David Chen. Right on, guys. Hey, thanks for watching, and wait for the review. We'll see ya.